Hello everyone, welcome to Shree's Coding Hub. In today's episode, we are going to declare an array and take the inputs from the user into the array blocks and print the array items in a simple way, in a very simple manner. In the last episode, we have stopped here, but in the last episode we discussed the requirement that we declare 100 blocks here and we take 100 inputs from the user. 100 inputs from the user. Now how can we do that? Here I made this statement. Now let's see only for the 5. You can obviously if we you can obviously write for 100 or 200 or 700 also. Now what I do is we know for taking input from the user we should use scanf function as we discussed in the last episodes. If you have not gone through the last episodes, the link will be provided in the description. Please go and check out. Even in the last episode we discussed what are arrays, what are the backlogs, what are benefits. We discussed in a very clear manner. The link is provided in the description. Please go and check out. Now I am using scanf function. Now here it is integer data type, so I have used percentile d. Now comma uh, a of 5. Is it right, guys? Is it right? Let's check. It is not showing any error. It is not showing any error. Okay. Now here it is waiting for the input also. I give 100. I what it is giving, it has given null pointer assignment. It has given null pointer assignment. Now whatever values 64 4635 minus 29382, these are called memory leaks, which we discussed in the last episode. These are called memory leaks because here, as I said, the count of array starts from 0. The place value of array blocks starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fifth block ended at fourth place value. But here I accessed fifth block. But it doesn't show any error while compiling because there is no any syntax error here. Now compiler couldn't get that here there is a mistake in accessing. So that's why our code has compiled successfully, but at runtime it is trying to access the fifth block, but it is trying to access the sixth block which doesn't exist. That's why it is throwing error null pointer assignment. You can see here. So uh, let's say a of 4 only. Okay, now what happened? 100 199. Oh, it has taken only uh, it has taken only one input. It has taken only one input. But we need that something in a way that it should take five inputs. Now here we can use if we think something little bit logically. Here we can use for loop I equals to 0 because loop starts from because play starts from 0. Now less than 5 until 4 I plus plus. Okay, now what I do is I place this scanf in this for loop. Okay, successful. But here what our requirement, it should go into a of 0 first, next a of 1, next a of 2, next a of 3, next a of 4. So what I do here, I place a of I. Here I forgot address of a of I. Here I think you got the point. I think you got the point. Here what it where it goes, it goes into the a of I block. Whatever the value, this loop first I initialize with 0 and checks the condition. Condition satisfied. Now it enters into the loop and scans a value from the user. If I give 100, now where 100 goes? It goes to the a of I block. A of I. What is a of I? It means what is I here? 0. I is 0. Now it goes into the a of 0 like this. Like this. Now here we assign like this. Same in this way. Here a whatever the value we give, it goes into the a of 0 block. Now when I gets incremented, I becomes 1 now. First it was 0, now it becomes 1. Now again it enters into the loop. Now it whatever the value given by the user goes into the a of 1, goes into a of 1 like this. Like this. What we did here, a of 1 equal to 200. Again it I becomes 3, enters into the loop. Now whatever the value we give, it goes into the a of 3 block. First it went to a of 0, a of 0, next a of 1, next a of 2, I becomes 2 here, sorry. Now it goes into the a of 2 block, and next I becomes 3. Now it goes into the a of 3 block. Now again I becomes 4. Now it goes into the a of 4. A of 4. Okay, completed. How many blocks filled total? 1, 2. How many blocks total got filled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Successfully 5 blocks filled. Now here I value has become 4. Now it gets increment by 5. It now I value is 5. Checks the condition. Condition failed and comes out of the loop and prints this, executes these printf statements. Here we got an error that I. What it is showing? Error. Undefined symbol I. Because we didn't declare I. We didn't declare I here. This type of errors compiler can show. But because this is syntax error, here it is finding for, compiler is finding for I. There is no I. That's why it has thrown error. But wherever in case of memory, here what here in the just now we observed, compiler cannot throw any error. Compiler does not throw any error. It we get error at the runtime, as we got here null pointer assignment on the output screen. Now let's run it and check. Here what I do is I simply keep a printf statement, guys. Printf enter uh, percentile d value, okay, comma a of I. Now what happens? Enter percentile d searches for integer value, a of I. Now what I did here, not like this. Let's write in this way: a of percentile d, a of percentile d. Now I declare here I. Now what would be the output? Here what happens? It prints enter as it is. Now it prints a. Now it prints open bracket, and now it executes percentile d and takes I value and prints I value. First it is 0, so it prints a bracket 0 bracket close value and this column. Now you can see the output something like this. Enter a of 0 value, I say 1. Enter a of 1 value, I say 2. Enter a of 2 value, I say 3. Enter a of 4 value, 3 a value, I say 4. Enter a of 4 value, I say 5. Yes, now let's check the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 got printed successfully. But here if you observe, we wrote 5 printf statements. Here you can repeat here I wrote only 5 for 5 blocks. Here if you can allocate the size for 100 memory blocks or 700 memory blocks or 1000 memory blocks also. But here to explain, as when I give inputs, it takes long time. If I give a big value like 100 or 20 or 1000 like that, it takes a long time. That's why I took small number 5. You can do for 100 or 1000 also. Now here if you see, I wrote 5 printf statements for size of 5. I wrote 5 printf statements for array size of 5. It is not decent, guys. It is not. Now in case of 100 size of array, we can't write 100 printf statements, right? Understand? We can't write 100 printf statements, right? It is tough and it is difficult and it is impossible to write 100 printf statements or 1000 printf statements for array size 1000. So what we do here also we do something like this. We use for loop. What I do here is, for I equals to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Again I used I, and what I do is printf percentile a of percentile d value is slash n. Okay, value is, what I do, a of I declare here percentile d again. Now for first percentile I, next a of I. Now here you can see a attractive output. Here what it prints, first it prints a, next open bracket, next it searches for percentile d integer value, it takes I value. For the first time it will be 0. Now a bracket open, 0 bracket close. Now it prints value is this column and again percentile d. So it takes a of I value, whatever the value is there in the a of I block, it got prints here, and next it executes slash n and goes to the next line. Here first I'll save it, alt F9, control F9. Here enter a of 0 value 1. Let's say 100, let's say 200, let's say 300, let's say 400, let's say 500. Okay guys, let's see the output, alt F5. Here you can see, a of 0 value is 100, a of 1 value is 200, a of 2 value is 300. Our output is very beautiful. Our output is very beautiful, guys. Like this, this is the process in case of using arrays. In case of using arrays, like this, we use arrays. We get inputs from the user, and we can print those inputs like this. The main reason of these arrays is collecting same type of data, same use of collecting same type of data in a bunch. If we want to collect characters, char type of data 100, like that we want to collect 100 bundles of data of char type, then we can use arrays of defining our required size. We can declare 5000 also, and we can take 5000 inputs also, guys. So this is the usage of array. Now here uh, let's take a simple question to understand and improve our logics uh, better, to improve our logics to a better way. Now what my requirement is, here what I do is I take another array b of 5, b of 5, b of 5. Okay, it's fine. Now what I want to do is I want to copy array a, what are the elements in the are there in a of 5. I want to copy those in b of 5. I want to copy that in b of 5. I want to all the 5 elements in the a of 5 into the b of 5, but I don't scan again and again. I don't scan again and again. I just want to copy all the elements in the a of 5 into the b of 5, and I want to print here not a array. I want to print b array. Now here also I take b. Okay, b of I. Now how can we copy one array elements to another array elements? Any idea, guys? If you got an idea, please stop the video here and go and execute. If you get the output, comment in the comment box, yes, we got the output. You can pause here, you can pause the video, or you can leave the video here itself, guys. Go and try. If you are unable to do, if it is taking much time, long time, then again you can reach our video and you can unpause and see the logic. What I say is, again I use I equals to 0 and I is less than 5, I plus plus, I plus plus. Now here what I do is simply I say b of I equals to a of I, a of I. Simple. Now for the first time I is 0, so here remember one thing, guys, the value always copied from right to left. The whatever value we want to copy, that value should be at the right. Wherever we want to store the copied value, that should be at the left. Now here copy happens in a way from right to left. A of I value comes into the b of I. If in case here I mention a and here I mention b, here what happens, the value of b of I comes into a of I, but our requirement is a of I should come into b of I. Now for the first time I is 0, for the first time I is 0, so a of z, now b, what happens here, b of 0 he catches the value in the a of 0. A of 0. And for the second time, I becomes 1. So b of 1 equal to a of 1. Whatever the value there in the a of 1 goes into the b of 1. Like that loop repeats 5 times until I value becomes 4. And till then all the values in the a array comes into the b array. And here you can print the b array like this. Here let's check the output. Is our code satisfy our requirement or not? Enter a value. I say 200, 300, 400, 600, 1000. Now ready for the output, guys. Here you can see b of 0 value is 200, b of 1 value is 300. Now our elements got copied successfully. Here you can see the output. Our output is perfect. Our output is perfect. Here I printed b array. Our b array got printed successfully. Here I copied a array elements to the b array. Here I copied a array elements to the b array. I hope you guys understood the concept very well. Now let's take our requirement something to the next level. Now here we copied the elements something in a way that I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll define. Here you can see the array elements copied to the B array successfully, but here let's change our requirement that the array elements in the A array should be copied into the B array but in the reverse order. It means whatever the value now B of 0 should contain the value in the A of 4 and B of 1 should contain the value which is in the A of 3 and B of 2 should contain the value which is in the A of 2. It will be the same. Now B of 1, no sorry, B of 4, this is B of 2, okay, and this is also 0, 1, 2. Now B of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 should contain the element what? A of 1. A of 1. Now B of 4 should contain the value which is in the A of 0. In this reverse manner it should contain. Now our requirement is copying one array elements into the another array elements in reverse order. Here our output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Here I have given the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it should insert into the B array like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I should get the output 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Copying one array elements into the another array in reverse order. This is our target now. But I am not going to explain that requirement, that logic in today's episode, in this video. I am going to discuss it in the next episode, in upcoming episode. Till then, you definitely, I hope you will try this. You will try this task and definitely make the comment. We got the output in the comment box. So stay tuned for the next episode and do not forget to subscribe and like the video. If you do subscribe and like to our video, it will be a great motivation to share more valuable content like this. Thank you.